Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a true unboxing today, and as you can tell from the title, it is a Coach bag. Here we go. So I'm just gonna unbox it today and take a look at it, and then I'm gonna do another video about the Cassie Coach and my history with the brand. This bag was on sale, which is why I got it. Well, I loved it, which is why I got it, but it was on sale, so I thought it was a great opportunity to get this. So here we go. Here's the dust bag. And please excuse the non-manicured hands. I have not gone for a manicure or a pedicure during the pandemic for obvious reasons. I just don't feel comfortable doing that, so pardon me, but you're going to have to look at my unpolished fingernails. So, my gosh, they've got this tied up so tight. Let me see if I can get it out like this. Here we go. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Somebody knotted this, which probably wasn't such a great idea. Let me move this a little bit so you can see better. As you can kind of see, as I squeeze this out of the dust bag, it is the Cassie crossbody in the color, I think it's Aurora. And I love this bag, this color, because I thought it was a neutral for spring and summer. I have one pink bag, which is a Versace bag, but it's kind of ornate and I don't use it very much, and I liked this because the hardware was not too flashy. It wasn't in gold color. I liked that this was a little bit more subdued. I thought it would be more neutral and it would go with a lot of things. So yeah, I like it. It's, the color is a little bit more muted than it looked online, but it's still a nice neutral color. So I'm gonna take all the packaging off and I'm going to look it over, make sure everything's okay. But now that I'm looking at this color, I feel like it's nice for spring, summer, and even early fall. I don't know if I'd wear it in the winter because I live in New York City and it gets very dirty there, and I walk all over the place and sometimes take the subway, which is one reason why I got the Cassie crossbody, which I will talk about in another video. But I don't think this would be so great in the winter when I'm running errands, but I do think that it's great probably 3 out of 4 seasons a year. So I'm glad I got this. It's it's a neutral. I wouldn't have thought that light pink could be a neutral, but it is neutral. So all right, that's it. That was just this quick unboxing, and I'm going to follow up with a video about the Cassie crossbody and, as I said, my little history of the brand. My history with the brand, actually, and I'm going to talk about why I chose to get a Coach bag, and about my very first Coach bag, which was a long time ago. So thank you for tuning in again, particularly since I am so new at this and I'm really bad at videos, but I just love to talk about accessories and just love to hear what you guys like. If you have a Cassie crossbody, let me know. Let me know how it's going for you. Let me know the color you have. Let me know the pros and cons. It seems like a great bag, but I would love to hear from those of you who've had it for a while, and if there's anything I should be worried about, anything to watch out for. And I also want to do a little shout out to a YouTuber named Just Jennifer. I love watching your videos, Jennifer, and it's because of your videos that I got the Cassie crossbody. So thank you for recommending them. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, everyone, and be well.